The aim is, as a regulator, is not to find ways for people to not be compliant, but to actually ensure wherever possible that we assist our customer organisations to be compliant, and therefore we've worked with them. And so have the other regulators, because of course although we are the administrators of the scheme, the Environment Agency, we work alongside CPAP in Scotland and NEA in Northern Ireland, who are the regulators for their relevant CRC participants, and we work together as three regulators to again try and ensure that customers have the opportunities to be compliant. We've also provided assistance and guidance for future compliance, so where we've engaged with people and they've had difficulties understanding, we've pointed them in the direction of the right guidance, or provided understanding for them through help desk services and emails, which have been quite extensive. During the reporting period, we responded to well over 10,000 different requests for information, which was all part of that customer service to ensure that people had what they needed when they needed to deliver their reports on time, and if they were late, to make sure that they did so at a time as soon thereafter as they could, and therefore reduce any risks of penalties being applied. So the bottom line on that really is that we've only issued notices, and we've issued very few where it's been necessary, where the informal approach unfortunately hasn't resulted in the relevant organisation coming on board and doing what it was required to do. From the annual reports that have now been submitted, there was a lot of mandatory data in there, and there was also some optional data that could be reported, and that is going to be used to generate the first PLT, and that will be generated during the autumn of 2011, quite shortly now. There will only be one performance league table. There was various discussions about how that should be sliced and diced and what it would look like and how it should reflect various groups, sectors. But on the whole, there is so much variation within those 2,800 participants and the slightly lesser number that submitted annual reports, that it was felt to provide a single comprehensive league table that showed the overall performance of everybody was the best way forwards.